Hi everyone! So sa ngayon, tingnan natin kung ano mensahe ng Panginoon para sa ating lahat. We have this one, the say in either way. We also have this one here. And we also got to fail. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na iwasan nyo yung masyadong mga negative things or mga sinasabi kasi I'm feeling na by a voice, there's a tendency na mag-fail yung certain na bagay. Like, I will give you an example. What if somebody is bullied so badly and because of that person being bullied, something failed? Okay, so yun yung example natin. So, gustong sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag sana makaapekto sa inyo yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao. Kasi kung masyado tayo nagpapaapekto sa mga negatibong bagay na yan, yun yung magdudulot sa atin na matigil sa ginagawa natin, which may lead on to failure. So that we have is like in reverse, and we also have this one. So gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na may mga haters sa ating buhay that they are saying this kind of thing kasi ayaw nila tayo na umangat. Okay, yun yung kanilang dahilan kung ba't nila to ginagawa sa atin. Next that we have is this one. So, kaya nila yung nagagawa kasi gusto nila maging stagnant yung ating situation with regards sa career. We also have the chase in either way, and we also have this one. So, itong mga haters, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na iniwasan niya tayo na mag-chase or go after our dreams. Kasi I feel like yung ibang mga tao na gumagawa ng negatibong bagay is somebody na may crab mentality issue na gusto lang nila na sila lang yung may blessing. At yung mga taong kagaya mo ay nila makuha mo to. Gusto nila sila lang. So, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na kapag talagang paangat ka, may mga tao nag-iiba bigla ng ugali. At doon mo makikita kung sino yung may crab mentality attitude. At saka pinapahintulutan ng Diyos sa magsalita sila ng certain things or may gawin sila because God wants you to be aware about the true colors of this person or these people. So, anyway, since, nakita mo yung red flags, all that you can do here is, since umiwas ka sa mga sinasabi nila na negatibo, okay, at saka, I feel like God is wanting to know na distance yourself from them kasi I feel na hindi lang isang beses sila gagawin to sa'yo, kundi maraming beses. I'm feeling na nakita mo yung tunay nilang pag-uugali. Maybe also observe na iba yung ugali nila sa iba, iba yung ugali nila sa'yo. At yung rason kasi, siguro nakita ka nila nasa mababa at gusto ka nila manatili doon, ayaw ka nilang umangat, and that's the reason why ganun na lamang yung trato sa'yo. Well, those people na talagang mataas na even before, hindi nila magawa yon at ikaw yung napagtripan. So, in short, meron siguro din silang ugaling may pagkamata pobre. So, on your end, umiwas ka na lang, okay? Kung sakali man may mabanggit sila sa'yo, I would say be patient kahit mahirap. Okay, kung talaga sumama yung loob mo, I will suggest you to pray to God to ease that pain that you feel and to help you also to forgive kahit na mahirap. Basta, isipin mo na lang that you should be grounded and you should remain in this loving presence of God. Okay? So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight and awareness about your situation, and God bless all of you.